What we know is that Australia has always been subject of floods, of bushfires, but we know that the science told us that if we continued to not take action globally on climate change, then these events, extreme weather events, would be more often and more intense. And what we're seeing, unfortunately, is that play out. The people of the Hawkesbury-Richmond area have now had 4 flooding events in the last 18 months. Prior to that, they were impacted by bushfires. That's why my government is acting. I've got to say as well, the New South Wales government are acting as well on changing the energy mix in this state. But what we know is that no state and no nation can act by itself. It's one of the reasons why I've been out there engaging in the need to lift up global action, but Australia needs to be a part of that. On behalf of the Commonwealth, again, I reiterate the fact that people need to listen to the advice, need to not take risks. When asked to evacuate, make sure they do exactly that. This still remains a dangerous situation, and we need to respond appropriately. I'm very pleased that the Commonwealth is cooperating so well with the New South Wales Government. It is a seamless relationship that we have, which is what people want to see at a time like this. And this morning I can announce that the Australian Government has approved our disaster recovery payments to kick in from 2 o'clock tomorrow for the 23 local government areas. That will consist of $1,000 for adults that are impacted and eligible for these payments, $400 for every child who is eligible for this. The disaster recovery allowance will also be made available to assist employees and sole traders who experience a loss of income as a direct result of this disaster, and is payable to them for a maximum of 13 weeks. We've also made sure that equivalent financial assistance will be available to eligible New Zealand citizens affected by the floods.
Well, thank you, Prime Minister. Can I begin by reiterating a few of those points? Firstly, to thank the Commonwealth Government, but also the New South Wales agencies across the board in relation to the coordination that is taking place during this difficult time. It's certainly been a difficult couple of years, particularly with floods, and the coordination through CEOC here in Homebush, the standing up, the coordination of all government agencies working together, but not just at a state level with the Commonwealth Government. And the announcement today of those relief payments is very important for those families, particularly who have been impacted.